Hello, good morning, students. In the last video, we discussed primary functions of money. Two main functions of money. One, first function, medium of exchange. Second function, measure of value. In this video, we are going to discuss secondary functions of money and contingent functions of money. The first secondary function is standard of deferred payment. Deferred payment means future payment, future transaction. Money has provided medium of exchange not only for immediate transaction, also for future transaction. Loans which are taken at present time can be repaid in future. It was not possible in the barter system. It is possible only in money economy, only in monetary economy. Second function, store of value. This is a most very important function. Classical economists laid emphasis on medium of exchange function. It means they have laid emphasis on spending aspect of money. But according to modern economists, money has got not only spending aspect but also holding aspect. People would like to store value in terms of money. Why? Because money has got the power. Which power? Purchasing power. Money is considered as the best form of reserve. There are two reasons. Why? Because money is imperishable by nature. And on the other hand, physical commodities, they are perishable by nature. Secondly, the value of physical commodities, they fluctuate too much. सपोज आज ऑनियन की प्राइस 10 रुपीज पर केजी है तो एक हफ्ते बाद वो 50 रुपीज पर केजी भी हो सकती है. While value of money does not fluctuate that much. That's why people would like to store value in terms of money. And here very important point should be noted. When we store value in terms of money, what actually we are doing? We are transferring our purchasing power from present to future. That's only. Okay. So third function is transfer of value. Value can be easily transferred from person to person, place to place, and time to time with the help of money. There is no obstacles, there is no barriers, there is no hindrance in transferring value from one person to other person, one time to other time. We have just discussed કે આપણે જ્યારે સ્ટોર કરીએ છીએ ત્યારે purchasing power એ present થી future માં transfer કરીએ છીએ. એ જ રીતે value can be transferred from person to person through credit instruments like checks, demand draft, money orders, or any other payments. Now હમણાં digital payments available છે એનાથી. So there are three functions: standard of deferred payment, store of value, and transfer of value. Next is contingent functions. Contingent functions of money. એમાં first છે measurement and distribution of national income. In the first video, introduction to macroeconomics, એમાં આપણે discuss કરી છે કે national income is a macro variable and it must be studied separately. National income does not mean is a sum total of income of all individuals. National income is a macro concept. What is national income? Aggregate market value of all the final goods and services produced in the economy during a given year. A national income છે. બાર્ટર સિસ્ટમમાં તો એક પર્સનની ઇન્કમ પણ મેઝર કરી શકાતી નહીં. તો નેશનલ ઇન્કમનો મેઝર કરવાનો કોઈ પ્રશ્ન ઉપસ્થિત નથી રહેતો. વી કેન મેઝર નેશનલ ઇન્કમ ઇન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ મની. મનીના કારણે જ નેશનલ ઇન્કમનું મેઝરમેન્ટ પોસિબલ થઈ શક્યું છે. એન્ડ મની has not only made possible measurement of national income, but also distribution of national income is also possible because of money. in four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur, in form of rent, wages, interest, and profit. This is known as functional distribution of national income. Four factors of production: land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur, in form of rent, wages, interest, and profit. Next point છે આપણો, money is a basis of credit system. We have just discussed that money has provided medium of exchange not only for immediate transaction, also for future transaction. Modern economy is a credit economy, but the basis of credit is monetary system. We will discuss in the next chapters how expansion and contraction of credit leads to increase and decrease in money supply. Loans, credit systems, all this was not possible in the barter system. It is possible only in monetary system with the help of money, because of money only. Last and very important, liquidity functions. Liquidity means here quick spendability. જે એવું સ્ટફ જેને આપણે તાત્કાલિક સ્પેન્ડ કરી શકાય. અને મની એ શું છે? બાય ડેફિનેશન, બાય નેચર, મની હેઝ ગોટ 100% લિક્વિડિટી. મની પોઝેસીસ 100% લિક્વિડિટી. આપણે બીજા કોઈ પણ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટમાં એને કન્વર્ટ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. વી કેન ડાયરેક્ટલી સ્પેન્ડ મની for purchasing goods and services. So this is also a contingent functions of money. So in this video we discuss 3 secondary functions of money and 3 contingent functions of money. That's all for today. Thank you very much.